I guess I think about me. I wanted to go into science. I knew when I was very young. I really enjoyed science. And the thing that I did as a young person was I paid attention to the world around me. And I really watched things. I tried to be observant and to learn things and ask questions, and then also go to books to try and find answers to those questions, and watch television programs on different systems that I was interested in Africa and Alaska.
I would say, for one thing, just look out for opportunities and take any opportunities that you can get to kind of experience field science. Classroom learning is very important, but trying to do some learning and experiencing things outside of the classroom is definitely an important aspect of it. That's how I got started. Well, I would say, definitely you always want to keep an open mind and really just think that anything is possible. It's when you become closed-minded, and if you decided you already know all you can about something, or that you know for sure the way something works, that's when you can stop learning. You don't ever want to stop learning. So you always want to be open to the idea of bringing in new information and changing your point of view.
Just find something that you really enjoy working on and learn as much as you can. And just perseverance is a real big key too. It can be hard to get a job in this field. They're very limited. So you got to put in some hard work and then do some things that maybe aren't exactly what your ideal job is, to just get your foot in the door and keep working at it, and then eventually you'll be in a position to do what you love. I think definitely learning to study and go through being detailed oriented kind of, to make sure that you're not missing something, and you're collecting. It goes to collecting data, making sure that you're collecting it the right way and everything you need, and then building it into models and writing and just being very precise in everything you do.
Just advice for any of them would be to go with what you love, because I love the ocean, always grew up around it, and just got very comfortable with it, and I went with what I wanted to do. And so that's how I actually learned a lot about it, and went with ocean engineering because it was something I wanted, and it was perfect for me. I know they probably don't want to hear it, but just basic math skills, just get comfortable with everything, because doing normal everyday problems and questions and stuff, I do use it a lot actually, and I can just quickly jot down and go through equations and things that are needed for what I'm doing, and it helps me get through each day a little bit faster, a little bit easier.
Well, study hard. Take the hard courses. Science does require learning a lot of what's been learned, and every year there's so much more being discovered by other scientists. It's not that hard. It's a matter of working hard. Everybody has to do that. And be curious. As a biologist, I'm motivated by trying to figure out what's going on with animals and plants that I see outside. Why is a flower pink instead of yellow, or white instead of orange? Why do a lot of insects look like each other, but they're different species, mimics and things like that? Why do birds sing? Why do lizards do push-ups? Why do ground squirrels say chick-chick? So things like that. Look at the natural world and ask questions, and then try to pose answers to your questions, and then try to figure out, well, how could you tell whether your answer was right or wrong? That's what we do every day.